Main Street Motors in Denison, Texas is offering this 1977 Jeep CJ5. This has the original 304 AMC V8 engine, 3-speed manual transmission, has power steering and disc brakes on the front. The body's solid, the paint is nice, seats are great, has a small lift kit, has Rancho shocks, good stock steel body, very nice paint, looks great. It's got a Sony stereo with the 6x9 speakers and the small dash speakers. Start it up for you. It's got headers and it's got the side pipe exhaust. Main Street Motors is located in Denison, Texas, and you can reach us at 903-416-9191. Thanks for watching our video.